family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the hair tutorial that you've seen on my thumbnail, that cute tribal braids that you've seen, step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing the hair tutorial that you've seen on my thumbnail. So for this hair tutorial I'm going to be working with these 4 packs of darling braids. I'm not actually going to oil my hair because it's going to be a little slippery. Okay, so for me, for braids, I don't pass another hair through. I just work on it with one piece. This is the size. I'm going to put my braiding hair below like this, and then I'll pass it over like this. After that, now my hair is right here in the middle. Make sure it's very close to your roots, and then now I'll start braiding it. After I pass it through once, now I'll divide the hair. I'll pick a little piece from this side and this side. That one will be added to my natural hair. And then I'll just braid it through. Now for the second row, I'm going to cornrow it, but I'm going to kind of twist it to zigzag. After I braid this side, I'll braid this side again. Now we switch sides. Let's start with this other one here. I continue to cornrow it. I do the same with this other side. For the back of my hair, I'm going to do regular braids. I'm done with the back. So this length is just regular long. I want to extend them. Now that my hair is getting thinner, now this is where I adjust my hair. I'm going to use the size that I was using to braid my hair, except I'm going to divide it into two. Okay, now I add it in like this, and then I continue braiding it downwards. And here I continue braiding again. For me, I love my braids when they're done to the very last end. Now, as you can see, this is the length. I'm going to do another piece on camera, and then the rest I'll finish off camera. Overheat close to the end over here. Then I add it in. Then I just braid it in to blend it in. I was actually struggling with doing this before, and I did it once on a tutorial, and I find it quite easy right now. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and curl a little bit of hair. I'm going to pick a little piece of this hair, and then I have my peg here. I'm going to hold my hair in half, and then now I'm going to put this circular part in the middle of my peg. Then I'm going to twist it up like this, and then I'll pass it through the middle of this peg over here in the middle, like that, to secure it. Now I'm going to wrap it around my peg, this lower part, so my hair is uniform, and then I'll wrap it around backwards again. You can use straws, you can use sticks to curl your hair. I'll hold my hair in enough like this. I'll add the circular part to my peg. I'm going to kind of twist it, and then now I'm going to pass it through this part here, this V-shaped part. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around and around. And then when you're wrapping your hair, you're going to wrap until there is no hair left, so it's fully secure. And then after this, I'm going to add them to some hot water. I'll let them sit there for around 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll remove it, and then I'll dry them up. Okay, so I have my hot water here. Then I have another jug that I want to use. I'll add the water in, add my hair in. I'll let them sit over here for some time. So moving on, I finished up the ends of my hair. So in this part of the video, I actually need to go ahead and curl the ends of this hair. Pick the braids you want to curl, and then you re-braid it again. I don't know if I braid it like this and then I add the string in and then I pull it. I don't know how it will look, so I want to try that. Push it again. I've done lots of tutorials on this. Actually, check out how I made some curly braids, butt length curly braids. It's up on my channel. I'll link it down in the description box so you can access it. After accessing it, you'll go ahead and access how I installed that. If you love braids like me, I know you're going to love that tutorial very much. So the jug of water is over here. I'm going to dip my hair to this water. And then now I have my towel here ready. So when I remove it, oh Jesus, let me grab it. I want to go ahead and now remove the hair. The water is a little cold, not that hot for my hands. I'm going to remove the strings now. Then I'll unbraid this. Look at that, the hands. Now that this hair is dry, I'm going to go ahead and unravel it. So this is how the curls turned out. Okay, so I feel like I want to glam it up with a little of these glitter ropes. I'll go in with the clip-ins. I'll oil this up now. Okay, I'll finish up by laying my edges. I have my nice and lovely clear jelly as usual. Now that I'm done, okay, this is how my edges look. Up close camera. This is how my hair looks. This is how the back looks, and this is the length. Look at that. Okay, I hope you liked today's video. Check out my other videos that I have on my channel. I recently did a crochet braid tutorial that I know you're going to love. Check it out, it's up on my channel. How to make the braids, how to install them. I love the curls, I love the length. If you've been watching me, you know I love long hair, I love curly hair. So see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.